Hello, Buttercups. I'm Sarah.
I'm Kat.
And we're the Buttercup sisters. Kat has been in love with RuPaul's Drag Race. And she got me hooked on it. And we thought that for today's video, we would be
transforming into drag queens. We'll specifically be transforming into Bianca Del Rio, who won season 6. We do have a picture of Bianca Del Rio in front of us that we will be using as a reference.
We're super excited about today's challenge. I'm sure Kat will do amazing just because she's really good at doing her makeup.
And of course, once we're done with our makeup, we will be comparing it and seeing who won and who is closer to Bianca Del Rio's makeup.
Hopefully I win, but most likely Kat will win.
Let's not drag this on.
Let's get started, guys. First, we have to glue on our eyebrows.
And of course, since we're not drag queens, we've never done this before.
I'm afraid because I really like my eyebrows, I think.
Will this make our eyebrows come off?
I don't know.
Let's find out. Okay.
I'm gonna brush my eyebrows. Meanwhile, we got the little brush that we saw everybody use. So, this hurts.
This feels like I shouldn't be doing this. I'm really nervous that my eyebrows are gonna come off.
I'm literally pulling some of my hair out. Hey, Kat. I feel like my dad should do this. Every day, just
I feel like this is what my dad's eyebrows look like every day.
Oh my god. I have some hairy eyebrows.
Okay.
What's up? What's up?
Hi. I'm just very surprised all the time. I just look like a lot of strong wind is coming through. Woo.
Bushy eyebrows.
Hey.
Oh, we should call each other the bushy eyebrow sisters. No, okay. Like, they're very... like, I want to see...
Do I look like an alien?
Oh my god. Kat, I see you through the monitor. And I just see, like, white right here. Oh my god, Kat. This is scary. Oh. Let me put, like, a serial killer face.
No, ew.
Oh, we're gonna be sisters.
We are sisters.
Okay, so I'm doing the outer eyeshadow that she has. And then somehow blend it in. I don't know what I'm doing. She has very pointy eyebrows. I love them. How do I look? So I made a mistake. I put way too much foundation under my eyes, and now the white that she has around her eyes, I can't seem to put it on because it just had cream all over my face.
I feel like you're just so far along. It's too much that I'm concentrating on. I should probably move on. I don't know.
I just broke my eye.
We didn't come to this competition to make friends. This is not the RuPaul's best friend race, Sarah.
You're cheating.
I am not cheating.
My
eyeball.
Black.
Oh no.
I'm sorry for Sarah's breakdown.
Look at my tiny little eyes. Wait, are mine uneven?
No, they're nice. I don't know how to fix this. I want to fix it. I don't know how to fix it. And I'm freaking out.
I don't know what I'm doing. And Kat won't help me.
I fixed my eyebrows. They look okay. I'm just wondering how the heck we're going to take all this off later. I'm getting annoyed.
Ooh. I love glitter.
Ruined it.
What did you do? Let me see.
I ruined it.
I'm going crazy now with the glitter because I love it so much. Definitely meant to be a drag queen. Look at that. I love glitter. Look at me. It's so shiny.
Yeah. I just poked my eyeball.
Wait. My eyebrows. They're getting unglued.
Probably because you took so long. I don't know how to fix this. Can someone tell me how to fix this?
Wow. I really look skinnier. Look at that line to make it look smoother.
Miss Vanjie. Miss Vanjie. Miss Vanjie.
I don't know who that is. Sorry, Alyssa Edwards. Don't know. Look at me. What the heck? Chunky. Look at my lips.
And I am now Kylie Jenner.
I think that my lips are too, like, defined. What the heck are you doing? One eyelash down. Like 60 more to go.
I think if I keep going, I'm just gonna end up coloring my whole face red.
Oh my god, God. But look at your reflection. It looks really good.
Who is?
God, I think you're definitely overdoing it.
This is gonna be so hard.
That's what they said. They look nice. Look at that. Woo, woo. Yeah. I look super skinny.
Did I do that right?
Working.
Someone help! Someone send help!
I look really good, Kat. Did I mention how much I'm loving my very skinny face? Okay, and last, and I'm gonna
Butt hurts.
Three hours later.
To get this look, you only need 5.5 hours. Prune, moist.
Not today, Satan. Not today.
I'm a total diva. Look at those cheekbones.
Alright, well, that's it for our challenge. We're very tired, and we left this challenge with a lot more respect. We already had respect for the queens, but Jesus, you guys, I have like so much more respect. But this is just a lot of work, guys, and we probably did a really crappy job, but
What? Just speaks for yourself. I look amazing.
let us know in the comments below if you think that Sarah won or Kat won.
Let us know
Who gets to stay and who gets to sashay away. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We put out new videos every Monday. You can also follow us on our social media. Snapchat is coming soon.
Am I distracting you? Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe below. I look good.
We are MUAs now, guys. We are beauty gurus.
My drag queen personality is gonna be color candy.
My name is Kitty Cat. Kitty Cat. That's it. That's it. Kitty Cat. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Lip sync for your life.
Bye, Buttercups.
Bye, Buttercups. Oh no, she better don't. Okay, bye.
Bye. Why does mine doesn't sound so good? A lip sync for our life.
Let's do this, guys. Let's do this, guys.